What's up, guys? It's your girl Key. So today we're going to be doing a product review for our first YouTube channel, and the product is going to be the Crayon case. And we have the eyeshadow palette from the Crayon case, and we also have a highlighting powder as well. So you guys stay tuned, like and subscribe to the video and my channel, and I hope you enjoy. Styles. You can follow me on Instagram at Sage Styles, and I'll have the link below, and I'll have my Instagram name plastered everywhere. But besides that, what I'm going to be bringing to the YouTube channel is basically product reviews on nail and hair care. We're also going to be doing a few makeup tutorials. Like y'all see this, like it's not really like I'm an amateur at this. I stick to nails and hair. I'm learning though. Y'all gotta give me that like a round of applause. But anyway, other than that, we're going to be doing product reviews. Like I said, we're going to be doing some tutorials as well with stuff that I feel comfortable with, and stuff that I feel as though, like hacks and stuff that I feel as though you should know. And then we're also going to be doing a sponsorship program with the YouTube channel, and the sponsorship program is basically just promoting and supporting my local entrepreneurs that are in my area, which is the DMV area. And we're going to be telling you guys the products that they sell, if they deliver, if they ship out of the city, and anything else that they bring to you guys. So after all that, now let's get into the products. Okay guys, so this is our finished look, which means this is the end of the video. Like I said, I will be putting my Instagram page in the description box below. You guys leave comments, subscribe to my page, like the video. Leave me some comments as to what you want to see me do or what you would like to be used as a product review, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.